Right. In the last class, we have discussed about introduction of Angular, two classes. So first class is what is Angular, all those things. Second class is what is MVC structure, and then after how we are able to call a REST API into the MVC structure, and how we will display in the V page. Everything the theoretically we have discussed yesterday. Okay. Right. Now today we are going to discuss about installation of Angular. Today we are going to discuss about installation of Angular. So before that, so by developing Angular, by using Angular, what type of applications we can develop? Web applications. Okay. So if you develop web applications, of course we can use it for mobile applications also, but that is different topic. That is not okay. That is not our topic in this course. So mobile applications, we need to embed this Angular with Ionic framework. Okay. Right. For web applications, we need to bind with any other server-side technology also. Right. Now, web applications. If you develop web applications, where we need to check our output? If you develop web applications, where we need to check our output? In the browser. Where we need to check? In the browser. So, by using which technology this Angular has developed? By using which language the Angular has developed? Respond everybody. By using which language?
TypeScript.
Yeah, TypeScript. Okay. Right. So that means the browser is giving also output. Though the technology is developed by TypeScript, browser is giving the output. So how browser is understanding TypeScript? So if any language, yeah, put everybody mute and get you also. So if any language should understand by the browser means, okay, if any technology should understand by the computer means, it has to be interpreted or compiled. Okay, if any language if any language has to be understand by the computer means, it has to be either interpreted or else compiled. So what is compilation or else interpretation? Converting our English language to binary code. Convert our code to binary code only. Okay, whatever code we have written, whatever the language we have written, that has to be converted into binary code. Okay, so then how browser is understanding? So do we need to install interpreters for Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, IE manually? No. So browser also like our human body. Okay, browser also like our human body. Collection. What is our human body? Collection of organs and connection between them. Like that, every browser also collection of 3 interpreters. Okay, it has 3 interpreters by default. Whenever you install an interpreter browser means that interpreters also will be there. Okay, so no need to install manually. So how many interpreters we have? HTML interpreter, CSS interpreter, JavaScript interpreter. How many? HTML interpreter, CSS interpreter, and JavaScript interpreter. But where is TypeScript? Suppose if you are writing the language in Java, we will use Tomcat server. That will convert our code to binary code. Okay. If we are doing PHP, we will use Apache server. That will take care of that conversion. But here we are not using any particular server like a Tomcat or IIS or else Apache. Okay. But still, but there is no interpreters by default for TypeScript also in the browser. Then how browser is understanding my TypeScript language? Though we have Angular is a framework, that is not a language. So we will need any framework developed by language only. So whatever the language they have used, that has to be interpreted. So how browser is understanding TypeScript? That is my question. Because there is no TypeScript interpreters. We have only HTML
By the help
interpreter.
of Node.js will compile, sir.
Right.
Into the Java.
Right. So we have only HTML interpreter, CSS interpreter, and JavaScript interpreter only. Okay, but there is no TypeScript interpreter. So how it will convert? This Node.js is there. Okay, Node.js. Okay, TypeScript. This also internally depends upon Node.js only. Okay, so this Node.js will convert our TypeScript code to JavaScript. So and whenever you are writing, whenever you are developing application, we need to write so many files also. So each and every file we need to convert manually? No. There is a command called ng, sir. Automatically it will compile. Compilation is nothing but converting our this compilation errors, we can call it as transpilation. Transpilation means converting from one language to another language. So what we are converting? TypeScript. Into which language we are converting? JavaScript. This is called transpilation or compilation. Understanding that, everybody? So who will take care of this? Node.js. So in order to work with the Angular or TypeScript also, first what is the steps we need to do? We need to install Node.js. Okay, right. Wait one second. Step 1 is what? Okay, wait one second. Installation of Angular. Installation of Angular. Step 1. Install Node.js. Okay. Install Node.js. Understand it, everybody? First step is what? Install Node.js. Okay. Right. Second step. After installing Node.js, what we need to do? We need to install CLI package. CLI package. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. Command Line Interface. Why we need to use this Command Line Interface? Why we need to use this Command Line Interface? To manipulate Angular application. So to develop your application by using Angular, we need to create components. Modules also will be there. Directives will be there. So all those things, how can we generate? Through manually also we can write the code. Okay, manually also we can write the code. But if you write manually code, what happens? You need to write manually code, right? So whenever you made a mistake, it will take a little bit. It will take so much more time to solve that mistake also and to complete the programming also. Rather than that, if you create any component also, module also, directive also, pipe also, through the CLI, what happens? Whatever the basic code is required, not all the code. Okay, the CLI can't understand your business requirements, but whatever the basic code to require to generate that component or else directive, whatever it may be, it will generate that. Or else service maybe, it will generate that basic code. Whatever the minimum code is required, that will generate. That is the advantage of the CLI. Okay, so we need to install this CLI package globally. So why globally? Because whatever drive also I can install Angular application. If I want, I can install a Angular in the C drive, or else a D drive I can install. Okay, or else E drive I have, there also I can install. Okay, in the entire application I can install. Clear it, everyone? In the entire application also, in the entire computer also, in the entire computer also I can install. Whenever you install CLI package globally. So how to install the CLI package and where we need to install? Okay, where we need to install? Of course, globally, that is related to computer, but in the related to our application should install in the @Angular folder. Where it will be @Angular? In the node module. So how to install this package? So whenever you install this Node.js, so Node.js, okay, official website is there, official server is there. So from there are so many packages are available. There is so many group of programmers are there to maintain that server. So they will develop so many packages for other programmers purpose. So whatever package we can install, we want to install that package, we can install. How? Through npm. Through npm. So how to install this? First we need to open our command prompt. So whenever you open your command prompt, first it will be like this: C:// and here we will give it like this: users/username, whatever your computer name is. Okay, right. Then after this username, what you need to do? You need to install this CLI package. How? If through this Node.js server. How can you access Node.js server? So if you want to access Node.js server, first you need to install this Node.js. Then automatically you can access this npm. npm stands for Node Package Manager. It will directly trigger the Node.js official server website. Okay, right. npm install. npm space install space -g. Why? Globally stands for G. G stands for globally, because we need to install globally. Where we need to install this? What we need to install? CLI. But where? In the @Angular folder. So whenever you type here npm install, automatically node modules will come. So one of the folder name is @Angular. There we need to install the CLI package. Understanding about this line? Respond, everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
This is second step. Yeah.
Can you
Yeah,
explain
right.
what CLI does?
It will manipulate the Angular application, Venkat. It will manipulate the Angular application. Okay, after installation of Angular, I will tell you, because then okay, yesterday I told, right? Okay, if you want to check anything also, first Angular should be there, right? Okay, after installation I will tell you. Right. Second step is after installation of the CLI, we need to install Angular. So we need to decide where we need to install the Angular. Okay, install Angular in your computer. So some people have, okay, some people have only C drive. Okay, they need to install where? So they need to install like this C drive, it will open. So you need to type like this NG stands for Angular. I want new Angular application. So Angular new, that means I want a new project. Remember this, I want a new application, Angular application. Okay, right, new stands for new Angular application. Then after Angular app name, Angular hyphen app hyphen name. So if you want to install Angular application in the C drive, this is a process. Or else if you have only other drives also, D drive, U drive, F drive also you have. So what we can do, if you install directly in the C drive, what happens? Sometimes if you forgot to take the backup, we will lose the information, whatever our computer contains. So rather than that, what other people will do, they will install in the other drives. So in that case, what you need to do? Instead of directly typing this command in the C drive, first to go to your directory first. Suppose I want to install in F drive, or else I want to install in D drive. So press there D colon and enter. So then what happens? It will go to the D drive. There write this command ng space new space Angular hyphen app hyphen name. Clear everybody? Can you respond? C drive
Yes.
and D. Okay, right. This is the third step. After installation of third step, what I need to do? Transpile Angular application. Angular app. So how to transpile? Do I need to transpile manually each and every file? No. Okay, by running a command we can do. So that is, suppose if you install in C drive. Okay, if you install in C drive, what are the things we need to do? If you install in C drive, what happens? So entire C drive we need to convert into JavaScript, or else only our Angular application. Respond everybody. Entire C drive we need to convert, or else transfer, or else only our application.
Only Angular application.
Only Angular application. That means first we need to navigate to our application directory. So write the cd space Angular hyphen app hyphen name. Okay, this is our Angular application name. Okay, then press enter. So that what happens? It will be like this. Angular, whenever you press enter, it will come like this. Angular hyphen app hyphen name. Then after write there ng space serve. What is the command? Ng space serve. So automatically it will convert our application TypeScript code into JavaScript, and that is one thing. And it will assign a port number, because Angular requires a port number. Whenever we want to whenever we want to send a request, and whenever we want to get the response also. Okay, this HTTP requires a port number. So okay, that purpose it will assign a port number by default 4200. Okay, and okay, this is the two steps it will follow, and the third step also there. Third thing also it will do live server. So no need to worry about live server, that is not a big thing. So what is the advantage is, whenever you made changes in the code, your application, whenever you made changes in your code, automatically it will update in the browser. Automatically it will update in the browser. No need to refresh manually. That is the advantage of live server. That's it. Okay, right. So this is the steps of what is this? Whenever you install in the C drive, then only you need to follow this. Or else if you install in D drive, or else any other drive, what are the steps we need to follow? It will come like this. Yeah.
One question. Can you explain the 3 steps that take place after ng, sir?
Converting our TypeScript code to JavaScript, first step. Okay, sir. And the Angular application requires a port number, because to get the request and to get the response from the REST API also. Okay, so whatever it may be, it requires a port number. So that port number also it will assign. Okay, and it will run our Angular application directly through live server. Okay, so live server is not no need to install manually, it will automatically take care of that. Live server means what happens? Say not only live server means what happens is this ng server, so automatically it will transpile. So whenever you made changes and whenever you changes, this ng server will automatically be called. So whenever it is automatically called means what happens? The browser will refresh automatically. Okay. Okay, that means no need to refresh manually. Okay, Right.
Yeah.
Right. So this is C drive. Then after, if you want to install in the D drive, okay. Right. D drive. Okay. D drive. So where, what you need to do? First, we need to go to our application directory. Angular hyphen app hyphen name. Then after, it will come like this: d:// Angular hyphen app hyphen name ng space serve. That's it. Okay, it will same thing, it can do it. So these are steps we need to follow. Okay, right. So yeah, understand it, everybody? Respond all 4 points. Respond everyone. One more time, finally respond. Hello.
Sir, one question.
Yes, sir.
Right. Tell me, Mohit.
Sir, like we are writing ng new Angular app name. So sometimes,
Yeah.
sir, it is saying like ng is not recognized as internal or external command.
That means you did not, maybe you did not install CLI, or else maybe you did not install Node.js also. Okay. Or else whenever you are installing, okay, it will throw some problem also. Okay, something is not okay installed properly. So that's why we need to uninstall Node.js, and we need to delete the cache and everything, and we need to try it one more time. Okay.
So
So whenever,
actually, when I checked on Google, sir, it's saying that we need to set the path also. So do
no
we
need
need
to
to
set.
set the path?
No. See, sometimes what happens is maybe no. See, ng new means ng new Angular app means no need to set any path. That is not required actually. Okay, maybe I don't know what is the scenario they have explained, but actually this is where default we here in the C drive we are installing that. No need to write any path, but better to install in users and username. Okay, in the username path. Okay, instead of installing the documents also or else anywhere also, better to install in this one. So before running this ng, first we need to install the CLI. So sometimes what happens is without installing the CLI package, they will try to access this command. Then also it won't understand. So first we need to install the CLI, then only we need to run this. Okay, right.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, Vasan.
Yeah. Irrespective of if you install in C or D drive, first two steps are common to run it in C drive command
Yeah,
prompt.
yeah. Install Node.js is manually we install in computer. Second step is common. First we need to install the CLI globally. So if you want to install globally, better to install in the C drive only. Okay. Then third step is, that is your personal choice. If you want to install in C drive, you can run this command in the C drive itself. Or else if you want to change the directory, first we need to change the directory. There only we need to install. Okay, Vasan?
Okay.
Yes. Right. So now I am making Venkat as presenter. Right. So wait 1 second. No, don't write a version. Others will confuse. Now, first manually we will see it. First close this command prompt, Venkat. Close this, Venkat. Right. First open the, yeah. First open command prompt. So before installing, wait 1 second. Don't write anything. So before installing Node.js, okay. Before installing Node.js, we need to check one thing, whether we have installed Node.js previously or not. Sometimes what happens is by installing other softwares, sometimes we don't check. So maybe we install also. Okay. So better to check it once. Okay. So how to check whether the Node.js is installed previously or not? So that purpose we need to open command prompt first, then write the node, node space -v space -v. V stands for version. Yeah, press there, enter. See, if it is displaying any version number, that means Node.js is installed previously. Okay. If it is not installed previously, what happens? Node is not required recognized as an internal or external command. Okay. If it is not installed properly, okay, node is recognized as an internal or external command. It will display. Node is not recognized. Okay. Right. So if you don't know how to install Node.js, first go to the Google. Venkat, I will tell you. Others also will understand. Right. Go to the google.com. Yeah, type there Node.js download. Node.js download. Press the enter. Right, open the first link, maybe in the new tab or else in there also. Right. Yeah, now directly click on the Windows install here. Wait 1 second. Venkat, wait. I will directly need to install Windows here. So that exe file will come. Okay. So we need to click on next, and we need to accept that also. So no need to change any directory path or anything. No need to install. Venkat, one more time. Okay, install it.
Sure,
Maybe
sure.
change
I
it.
just downloaded it. That's all. Nothing.
Yeah, right. So
No
see here,
intent.
yeah, 14.17.6. Okay, right. So directly you can click there and you can click on next, and finally finish. So okay, if it is asking any permissions, please provide it. Check it whether it is asking any permissions or not. So if it is asking for any permission, click on yes. That's it. So that it will be installed. Clear it, everybody? How to install Node.js? Kindly respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right. So after installing Node.js, then open command prompt. Go to that VS Code. Sorry, command prompt.
One doubt. If older
Yeah.
version also support it,
Old?
no, means I have 10.16. Is it support for the Angular or Node.js?
It will okay, but better to uninstall and reinstall the latest version. Maybe 14.16 or 14.17. Okay, Vasant. So better to install that. Okay, uninstall that Node.js and delete that node modules and npm cache also, and install Node.js one more time. Okay, right. Always we should be updated. Okay, right. Yeah. Then after come open your command prompt. So to check whether that Node.js is installed properly or not, run this command node space -v. If it is displaying properly the version number, so it has installed properly. Okay, right. So then after, what is the second step we need to do? Respond everyone. What is the second step we need to do?
CLI.
CLI. Okay.
Install Angular.
Right. No, install CLI, Angular CLI. Okay, right. Now write the npm space install. Yeah, tell me, Mohin.
So are you sharing the screen? Actually, it's only actually I'm able to see the blank screen.
So 1 second, Venkat. Once stop the screen sharing and start it. Yeah. Now again. Now.
Yeah, it's visible, sir.
Right. Thank you. So npm space install space. Yeah, put everybody mute. Npm space install space -g at the wait. Let me dictate. @angular / @angular /CLI. Put everybody mute. Yeah, press there enter. Put everybody mute. If I mute, you cannot speak. That's why I'm requesting you only. Everybody. That is a problem with GoTo training. If the organizer put everybody in the mute, you are not able to unmute yourself. Okay, right.
Sir, I have wondered.
Yeah, tell me, Kirti.
Is it needed npm globally install or locally?
No. CLI should be installed globally. That's why. And npm also should be installed globally only. Okay, because npm also should be installed globally only. Okay, Kirti, that is
Okay.
mandatory. Fix for that. Okay. So we cannot tell if you install what is the correct exactly advantages, but if you install globally, there won't be any problem. Okay, Kirti. Right. If you install anything related to only your application, so it will work for only your application. But if you install it globally in the entire computer also, it will work. Okay. Right. That is the advantage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, Srikanth. Good morning. Is this your first class? Yeah. Is this your first class?
I think I had one of your class, but my time is not matching with your time. So is this the everyday time starts at 9:30?
No. Means after 1 or 2 weeks, or else after 1 or 2 weeks, it will move to 1 hour before. That means 7 o'clock in the Indian time. Maybe in your time it is 8:30 maybe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But is this the first class, sir?
This is third class. First 2 classes are introductions. I think those are all available in the YouTube. Okay. This is the third class, installation only. Only third class.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sir. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. So yeah, no need to worry, it will install. Yeah. Sometimes it will take little bit time. That's it.
Does this take so much time usually?
Yeah, sometimes not so much time, but sometimes it will take. But maybe it has structured. Maybe press there, enter once. Yeah, right.
It just moved a little bit.
Right. Sometimes it will stuck. In that case, we need to okay, do it. That's it. Yeah, press there. Why? Yeah, right. Okay, you are new. Okay, it's okay. Right. So we have installed successfully Angular CLI version is 12.2.4. Okay, right. So then after, what is the thing we need to do? Yeah, Venkat, open your computer, my computer. How many drives are available? We'll see. Yeah, maximize it. Yeah. Oh, you have only C drive? No, not documents. Go to the C drive. My computer. Yeah, this PC. Yeah, okay. You have only C drive. Yeah, install in C drive only. Right. Now go to the command prompt. Go to the command prompt. Yeah. Now type there. No. You are already in the C drive, right? Venkat. Okay. Right. So now write there ng space new space. Yeah. Venkat hyphen Angular hyphen class. No, Venkat hyphen Angular hyphen practice. Angular hyphen practice. Right. Now press there enter. So Venkat hyphen Angular hyphen practice is what? Respond everybody. Venkat hyphen Angular hyphen practice is what? No, you not.
It's the Angular folder name.
The Angular application. Press there Y.
Application.
Press there Y. Right. Y. Press there Y and Venkat. Y. Yeah, enter. Press there enter one more time. CSS. Right. Now wait. Yeah. So Venkat hyphen Angular hyphen practice means what? Angular application name. Okay. Suppose in Kirti's computer is there. So install with Kirti hyphen Angular hyphen practice. Okay. Sushma hyphen Angular hyphen practice. Okay. Abhiranjita hyphen Angular hyphen practice, something like that. Ashutosh, everybody. Okay. Practice install with your name. Okay. Right. Just a recognition purpose. That's it. So don't don't type as hello world, my first project. Okay. By world, something like that. So okay, give any name. Okay, Angular app or else Angular practice or else your name hyphen Angular hyphen practice, something like that. Okay, don't write a one Angular one project or else hello world. Don't write like that. Yeah, hi Srikanth, tell me.
Sir, can I catch up from this class every day? You mean? I mean, it's
Means
not too late.
yeah. No. After payment, everybody will get videos. Okay, Srikanth. Okay. Or else you
Okay.
can check in. Okay. YouTube. That videos will be available. Okay. Right. Still I did not download the videos. Okay. Once I download the videos, I will give access for everyone. Maybe by Saturday, everybody will get all the videos. Okay. Everybody will get all the videos.
Yeah, that is
Okay.
okay, sir. But I want to continue this class regularly. So is this the right time to continue, or
Yeah,
I join the next?
definitely. No, you did not miss anything. Okay. Just this is the introduction class. Okay, so tomorrow onwards actually everything will be there. Okay, so you did not miss anything, you can feel like that. Okay, so definitely can continue. Okay,
Okay,
right.
okay.
Yeah.
Is it this slow usually?
Yeah, sometimes it will be slow. Not sometimes it will be slow like this only. But in Mac it will work faster. But in Windows it will little bit slow.
Okay.
So, but it is too slow. Actually, I have installed then completed installation from then.
Okay. Maybe Astosh, but
So
here, yeah.
what's the
Sometimes
first
depends upon
command?
the computer also. Or else,
I think it's listening to us and then responding on it.
maybe. So yeah, it has installed. Okay, right. No, don't press reals. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So yeah, no, wait. Don't do anything. Please, leave it. So we have installed the Angular application. Okay. Then what is the thing we need to do? We need to navigate to our application directory and then we need to start ng serve. Okay. And navigate there, cd space Venkat -Angular practice. Yeah, press there enter. Right now type there ng space serve. Enter. Now wait. It will take little bit time. Now also. So why sometimes it will take a little bit time in other computer? Why it is very fast in others computer? We cannot guess, but it will be like that only. So sometimes it is very faster, sometimes it will be very slow. Yeah, right. It
Sir,
is
what is this
compiling.
change serve command purpose, sir?
Yeah, it will do three things. Angular developed by Typescript. So Typescript cannot understand by the browser. Okay. So
Yes.
this ngserve command will be activated after installing Node.js and Angular only. And what this exact command will do is, okay, so it will convert our TypeScript code to JavaScript. Okay, it will convert our TypeScript code to JavaScript. So
Okay.
by default, okay, every browser can understand JavaScript, and it will assign a port number. Okay, because Angular requires a port number. Okay, so in order to get the request and get the response also, it requires a port number. Port number name is 4200, and it will run our application through live server. That means live server means what is live server is if you run your page or else application through live server, whenever you made changes in your code, automatically it will update in the browser. That means whenever you save it, automatically it will refresh the browser. No need to refresh manually. Okay, no need to refresh manually. Three things it will do: converting TypeScript code to JavaScript, assign a port number, and running through live server, so that whenever you made changes in your code and whenever you save it, no need to refresh in the browser.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So is the port number dynamically assigned and can we change it, sir?
But yeah, we can change it. Suppose ng space serve space minus port our port number, but that port number should not used by any other software.
Yeah.
Maybe type also whatever it may. So safe side is 4200, or else right there is 4201, 202, something like that. Okay. Yeah, right. Now how to open this? You open your browser and type there localhost colon 4200 in the URL bar. Yeah, open your browser. Okay. Yeah, type the localhost colon 4200. Yes, because there. No, don't write HTTP. No need to write. Automatically it will come. Right. Now see here, coming or not. Venkat Angular app. This is our home page. This is our application is running. Understanding that, everybody? Kindly respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Now I need to modify this Angular application. So if you want to modify Angular application, we should have an IDE like Notepad++ also, Visual Studio Code also, Atom also. So there are so many IDEs are available, but I prefer here Visual Studio Code. Okay. So for all the JavaScript technologies, Visual Studio Code will be the good choice. Okay. Right. So wait one second. Wait. Don't be too fast, Venkat. So we need to install Visual Studio Code manually. So he has installed Visual Studio Code manually in his computer previously, but whoever not installed Visual Studio Code, how to install it? Now go to the Google first, Venkat. Yeah, type there as Visual Studio Code. That is our IDE name. Okay, don't think code means other code, something like that. Name is code. Okay, right. Visual Studio Code. Yeah, download. Yeah, open the first one. Yeah, click on the Windows and you need to, no, don't click manually. No need to click Venkat. Yeah, there you need to click. If yours is Windows, If it is Linux, click on DEB or RPM, or else Mac. That's it. Okay, right. So depends upon the OS, you need to choose it, and finally the exe file will come next, and then after accept the terms and conditions, and then click on next, and finally finish. No need to change any settings or else any drives also. Whatever predefinedly selected, so accept for it. Okay, right. That's it. So that Visual Studio Code will be downloaded. So after installing Visual Studio Code, what I need to do? Now open Visual Studio Code. Venkat, Visual Studio Code. Yeah. Right. May open the manually. No, maximize it. Sorry. There is two things. Close that. Yeah, maximize it. Venkat, maximize it. Right. Now wait 1 second. I will take the controls. Don't leave the mouse pad. I will take care. Right. Yeah.
I am not doing anything.
Okay. Right. So close this. Welcome. First thing. Second thing is we need to import our application here. So open here. Add folder to workspace, so that automatically what happens whenever you open Visual Studio Code, automatically your application also will be there. Okay. Right. Click on add folder to workspace. Then after, so go to the C drive, this PC. Then after go to the C drive here, users, here, see there, users. Then after I think this one, this one, okay, your username. And then after Venkat Angular App Practice. See there, Venkat Angular. Don't double click, just select it and click on add. Select and click on add, okay? No, I will do it, Venkat, don't do. Right. Add. Yeah, click on yes. So that it will come like this. So where you are finding it, no need to worry. Here. Click there. Venkat Angular practice will be there. So this package.json is third-party packages. Whatever, sometimes whenever we are working with Angular, we need to install other packages also. So that packages information you can find in the package.json. Just this is the information folder. Okay, and this is node modules. Angular also, Typescript also internally depends upon Node.js related things. That related modules is available here. There also we don't write single line of code also. And where we will write SRC. Where we will write SRC. This is our application code. In the application code, so first whenever you have previously, see there. First whenever you have typed here 4200, what happens? First what file will call? First what file? Yeah, wait 1 second. Put everybody mute. First this main.ts will be called. Okay, remember this. This main.ts will be called. This main.ts will call two things. Okay. Okay, this main.ts will call index.html. Okay, this main.ts will call index.html. In the index.html, this app component will be called. So that's why it is calling it as single page application. So no need to worry about this main.ts and index.html. So whenever you type there, okay, whenever you type there, localhost column 4200, main.ts will be file will be called. That will call this index.html. Okay, so in the index.html, this app folder will be called. So this is our home component. So if you want to develop your application by using Angular, we need to divide our application into components. Okay, we need to divide our application into components. So whenever you install Angular application, so one component will come automatically. What is the component name? App component. It contains 6 files. Routing modular TS. This is for navigation. That means if you want to move from one page to another page, okay, in HTML it is very simple. href like that we will write. But here we need to write a module for it. Of course, it is also very easy, but little bit lengthy process. Okay, so that navigation related functionality we will write in the app routing modular TS. Navigation related functionality we will write in the app routing modular TS. Okay, and this component.css and component.html, this is our home page. This is the page you are seeing in the browser. Actually, this is our home page. You can fix for this. Okay, this is our home page. Ignore this main.ts and main index.html. But in the interviews, anybody asked, so how Angular functions is whenever we type in the localhost column 4200, first main.ts file will be called. Okay, in that main.ts, it will call the YAP module.ts and index.html. So that whatever the components is there, that will be transpiled into JavaScript, and after translation, that dynamic views will come in the index.html. Like that, you need to answer. Of course, in the starting classes, you can't understand. One second. In the starting classes, you can't understand this. After tomorrow class and day after tomorrow class, you will get an understanding. Okay, right? Yeah. Now ask your doubt.
So how the main.ts is getting called when we are calling localhost?
That is
Like,
by
there any
default.
link?
Yeah, that is predefined, Abhiranjana. They have programmed like that. Okay, Abhiranjana? They have programmed like that. Okay. Yeah. So whenever,
And
so
can we see any line? Can we see any programmatic line that says,
yeah,
okay, call this
yeah,
particular main? Yes.
yeah, I will display it. See there, here it is calling YAP module.ts. Okay, here.
Okay.
YAP module. So
Main.ts.
yeah, main.ts. This one only main.ts. This main.ts will be called first, and this main.ts will call YAP module.ts, and index.html that won't be visible. Okay, internally they have called through this. Okay, internally they will call. Okay, understanding? Ashutosh? No, not Ashutosh. Others also.
So suppose we have many applications. So every time, how we can decide which main.ts should call? Or it is a universal, like only one
Entire application. No.
main.ts will be there.
Yeah, entire application only one main.ts will be there. Entire application only one main.ts will be there. Okay, we can't create so many main.ts. Entire application only one main.ts, but components will be more. Okay. Hello, Abhiranjana. Components. Yeah, yeah. Put yourself mute. Ashutosh, put yourself mute. Put yourself mute, Ashutosh.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, from where we can see our local host number in this application? Like which
Here you can.
local host we are running our
No.
code?
Here it is assigning that. Here only we can find it. Here only we
So
can find.
from the code, we are not able to see that it's running on the local host 4200, or we can
No,
set
that
the
is
another port also.
no. Yeah, that we cannot see. Okay, that we cannot see. But manually we can change the port number, right? So that is not available anywhere. Okay, Mohit. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. See, don't get worried. Why this many calls are coming? What is the advantage? Something like that. So everybody they have their own plans. Suppose we have, if we are constructing home, okay, we have our own plans like that. Google company, whenever they are developing this framework, they have their own plans. So sometimes they will tell clearly, sometimes they don't tell clearly. So first in the, what is the thing you need to do is, okay, default port number is 4200. Fix for this. How to change the port number is, after assigning the ng serve, after running the ng serve, write there manually minus port number. Okay, that is one thing. And whenever you type the localhost colon 4200 in the browser, first main.ts will be called first, and from there YAP module.ts will call automatically. Where is YAP module.ts is available? In the YAP component. Understanding? In the YAP component. Hello? Please respond. Okay. So let me explain this first one more time. Okay. This routing module.ts is the navigation functionality. Component.ts, component.css, component.html is the view page, and especially this is YAP component is our home page. Forget about this index.html. There we don't write any code. Whatever code I want to write, I will write that in the YAP component. Suppose see here, YAP-root is there. Do you know any tag called YAP-root? Respond everyone. Do you know any tag called YAP-root in the HTML?
No.
In the HTML? No. Okay, but how it is called?
No, sir.
Yeah, this YAP-root is related to this YAP component.ts. So if you want to call a component other component, then we need to use that selector. See there, YAP-root. You are observing right in the line number 4. Respond everybody. So this one we need to use as a HTML tag. That's it. So that wherever you call, in that place, that particular entire component will be loaded along with that data. Understanding everybody? So this YAP component is calling into this index.html. So index.html will call dynamically through this main.ts. And here, okay, and here whatever components you are calling in the app component.html, that component will also load it. That's it. Clear it, everyone? Respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir,
Okay.
I'm not getting app.routing modules.ts.
Because no, you have get see there app routing module.ts. See there.
So in my application, it is not available there.
Who is asking?
Ashutosh.
Ashutosh, maybe whenever you are installing in the first one you press it there no maybe. Understanding?
Okay, sir.
Anywhere you have pressed there n, right?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, yeah, right. That's why it is not coming. No need to worry. So whenever this routing topic has started, I will tell you how to create it manually. Okay? No need to worry, Ashutosh.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Right. So no need to see here one more time telling. See there, I am taking here a new page. So first, what is the file? Main.ts. Okay, main.ts. So what it will do? It will call app module.ts. App module .ts and index.html. Okay, index.html, and this index.html it will call the app component. In the app component, you will call necessary components. That means, suppose you have a shopping cart, there is so many module components will be there. All the components you will display in the home page only. All the components you will display in the home page, or else you will display something only. In Amazon, what they will do, first they will display some categories. Whenever they click on the categories, they will go to products page, then after product detail page. But all the product details they are not displaying the home page, right? All 1 crore products they are not displaying the home page. Like that, whatever components I want to display in the home page, that particular component directly I will call in the app component. This app component is calling by index.html. This index.html will call by this main.ts. Understand, right? So entire application is running through this single page. That's why it is calling it as single page application. And views will change dynamically. That is also one of the reason it will call it as single page applications. Clear, right? Kindly respond. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So
Yes,
by
sir.
tomorrow, yeah, by tomorrow class you will get clear knowledge also. Okay, right. Suppose if you want to confirm this is home page or not, so come here. Yeah, ladies is not responding. Abhiranjita, Kirti, and Anusha, Sushma, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Now remove this, save it. Now go to the browser. Sometimes it won't refresh automatically. Manually we need to do it. Yeah, right. See, are you able to see anything in the home page? Previously we have seen entire page, but now are you able to see anything? No. Okay, right. So what I told, home page is the home component. Okay, this app component HTML is the home page. Okay, suppose you are writing here h1 tag. Yeah, Venkat Angular. Yeah, save it and go to the browser. Why is not updating immediately? Give me 1 second. Automatically this ng server will activate automatically, but sometimes why it is not coming?
Yeah, it just did now. Yes.
Yeah, right. So now go to the
Yes.
browser. Is it Venkat Angular? Yeah. Now you understand. But see, I see without confusion I can tell blindly this app component HTML is home page. But of course in the interview also you will answer. But what happens? You won't be selected. Why? But internal process is first it will call the main.ts, through main.ts, app module.ts and index.html will be called. In the this is the heart of our application. What is so important part here? YAP modular TS is our application. YAP modular TS. Understand it, everybody? What is that? YAP modular TS is our application. YAP modular TS is the heart of our application. Understanding? Please respond. So, what is the role of heart in our human body? What is the role of heart in our human body? What is the role of our heart in our human body?
Pump the
Heart,
blood.
Make everything.
yeah, it will pump the blood.
Pumping the blood.
Yeah, pumping the blood for each and every organ. Yeah, put everybody mute. So like that here. So that means what we need to understand, in the human body, each and every nerve and each and every organ should have the connection with heart, directly or indirectly. Like that, each and everything related to our application. Maybe it is a component also, maybe it is a module also, maybe it is a service also, whatever it may be, we must import into the imports array. Sorry, we need to import into the import here, and we need to write in the declarations. Why? Or else imports. If it is a module, then we will write in the imports array. So here you are observing this bootstrap YAP component, right? Why? Whatever you are calling in this YAP component, that will also be compiled. This is the main component. That's why we are writing as bootstrap. Okay, suppose we have shoe, right? In the shoe, we don't have only shoe. In the shoe, we have socks also. In the socks, we have leg. But how we will bootstrap it? Through lace. Like that, we have so many components. That components will call in the YAP component, and that component we are calling in this YAP modular TS. Understand, right? So whenever you have type here ng server, so first this ng module will be called, and whatever components you are write, whatever this array is containing, declarations array is containing, and imports array is containing, that will be called that will be transferred into the JavaScript. So whenever you are typing the ng server, ng module from all other modules also, not only YAP modular TS, any other modules also, this ng module will be called, and whatever you put in this declarations array, imports array, that will be converted into JavaScript. Then only we will get output related to that particular things. Understand, everyone? So that's why I'm telling this is our heart of our application. And for all other modules also, if we have 100 modules also, this is the parent module for everything. Understanding that, everybody? Understanding? So that's why each and everything related to our application, we should import here in the YAP modular TS directly or indirectly. Hello? Understanding? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And yeah,
Yes.
and this heart will called by this main.ts. So this is the human, and this is the heart, and this is other organs. Very simple. Okay. So main.ts is our human run by heart, right? So this is the heart. Okay, and this is the home page. That's it. Okay, that means this is the organs. This is the organs. Organs means this is the main organ. Okay, YAP component is, other organs are internally called in this organ. This maybe you can compare with this body. Okay, this is the main body, and internal organs will be called with in this body only. That's it. Okay, right. That's it, everybody. I think everything is understand today class. So if you don't understand also, no need to worry. I will explain one more time in the tomorrow
So
class.
just
One second. Now, okay, we will discuss one more time in the tomorrow class, and we will create a component and everything. We will see it, and then you will get clear knowledge by tomorrow class. Now you can ask your doubts. Kirti.
so providers and bootstrap, like when this will be called and what it does.
Say, forget about this. This bootstrap is not bootstrap. HTML says as bootstrap. That is not bootstrap. Okay. So they are packing. Okay, they are packing entire thing, right? And after packing entire thing, where they are doing this YAP component, and that particular component they are putting here.
No.
Okay, that particular that particular YAP component they are putting here. That's it. Hello. 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 You understand
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Please. Hello, Abhiranjita. Abhiranjana. Understand or not? Not getting your voice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You only ask, right? So this is for internal purpose.
Yes,
Okay,
I got
internal purpose. Okay, this is internal purpose. So mainly focus here only. Okay, ignore this bootstrap and everything. Maybe if you think in the starting classes, you will confuse. Okay, so that's why where you need to focus is focus here in the declarations array and imports array. If you focus here how it is calling, don't focus on internal process in the starting classes. If you focus on internal process, you will get confused. So after 1 or 2 classes or else 4 to 5 classes, you will get some clear knowledge that. So then you will understand how this app component is calling like that. Okay, Abhiranjana? Right. Thank you. And others also. Okay, right. Thank you, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet and we'll continue. Okay. Yeah. Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Right.